This is a purple flowering Hebe called Hebe Franciscana Variegata. It is a bushy evergreen shrub that has green and yellow leaves that contrast well with these attractive purple flowers. We are now at the start of June, so the start of summer, and you can see the beautiful purple flowers starting to form. This variety reaches 1 metre in height, spreading to a width of 1 metre, and it likes full sun or a partial shaded position and a moist and well drained soil. It requires little maintenance, just some pruning to keep the shrub's shape and some mulching for winter protection. The purple or violet flowers will appear in summer and last up to autumn. So, for a low-maintenance colourful evergreen with beautiful purple flowers in summertime, consider getting a Hebe Franciscana Variegata.